ఓయ్ ఛీ రే 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 లియో లియో సాత్వి లియో చూడు అన్నేం చేయి చూడు టూర్పేడు కిందకి లియో సరే ఉండమ్మా రే 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 అది బ్యాడ్ లియో బూ లియో బూ
The man spent a full 6 years. Every day he sat on a small wooden stool, closed his eyes. He repeatedly imagined himself racing through his mind. 6 years later, he finally stood up, decided to take the driver's license test. Just as the instructor was about to explain the exam rules, the man suddenly interrupted him.